guys, so today we're in an abandoned farm. I think it's an abandoned farm anyway, and no,
the people seeing us do the video.
so I'm here with Mum, Shannon, and Dad. Yeah, we don't really know where we are, but I'm trying. But I'm gonna record now. So, alright, guys.
Excuse me, French.
Excuse your French.
Some fancy chairs.
I ain't getting up there.
All the roofs on.
You're gonna be in cake. I think it was, you know. So guys, the roof's collapsing in on most of the building. Nothing really much. Ow. Sorry. It's alright. What's that?
Is it safe for him?
Shannon's taking a picture.
Shannon, let's not spend too much time in here. Let's not spend too much time in here.
Sorry, Mum.
Yeah.
I need the dog. Whoever it was that was in here had asthma, guys. Whoever was in here had asthma. Oh look, Dad, there's a medal. There's a medal. Oh, yeah, 1 minute. Whoever was in there had asthma.
Still recording, keep recording.
There was pictures in there.
You see these ones? Right.
Mum? Mum's making noises, the car.
It's the wind, yeah. Here's the tractor. Someone's Christmas card and the DVDs. That one, isn't it?
Bill. Powder. Something powder. Oh, what is a fridge?
Well, I think it's rendered useless now.
No way, Mum. It's got clothes in and everything. What happened? It was like something fell on it.
How would you able to get it in? There's another one over there.
Oh yeah. How do we get out?
I don't know, but we should be able to walk over there.
I'm gonna go check what's over there.
Through here.
Oh, we best wait for.
Yeah.
Shavers. No.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, we've got shade in there. The wash bill. Everything's clean himself good.
Oh, sorry, Sean.
This room's alright.
Bits that have dropped, please. What you have doing there?
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
What? What's this house? So much fun killed it. Isn't that the chicken? That is a chicken. It's ginger.
What's that? You will be shot if found here.
Oh, fuck off.
Will be shot.
Don't follow me.
I want to. I'm gonna get it. No, I don't think I will. I don't want to go over.
Alright, we'll try and go on video. Come here, Ray. Should no video.
Oh, did you get this
Over
way?
right in the middle. Let me talk for a get over.
Yeah.
Look how easy Sean's doing it.
I just don't want to go over.
Alright, he doesn't.
You reach over. There was something.
You've read the sign, some stupid little person's gone.
Yeah.
Shannon,
Yeah.
you're generally going to get shot.
We're not getting shot, kid. What? Right. Which one? This one? We'd have a look.
You shouldn't try and get through them, man. Get out here.
Get him in there. Just don't step into that room. That one there, kid.
Which one is this one here?
Yeah, drop the camera.
Good luck, fine.
Do you want me to actually video down there? Have you done it down?
Right.
Not on the video. Just the room.
Fucking hell, but it's dark in here.
Doing well. Stop panicking, you're doing well.
It's too dangerous.
Yeah, kid. I can't get up with him.
Yeah, you can go through that.
You've got really powerful.
No, I think Dad's trying to open the door.
Don't.
Dad, should I come through?
Don't, just hold on to me. Don't touch that.
Glass.
Glass. Can you do it? What? Come back in.
God's sake.
Yeah. And there's another sign. There's another sign for cars in there. Where the caravan is. Aye.
That's just, there's mud on the other side. I won't put the boat to it, it's just mud. What? Yeah, there's a side of that. Yeah. Oh, shit, I didn't realise how bad it was. The roof's caving in. You can see the roof.
I don't know how we're going to get the other side of that car. I don't think so.
Can we get out this way then? Can we get out from this window? That's the car.
Well, that's the fence. Probably still got to find an opening.
Right, come on. Are you sure you can get through the window?
Yeah.
You hold on to me. Your dad's on the other side. Give me a phone.
I can get through.
Don't touch the glass. Stand on the windowsill. Hold on to me. Go on, push up, push up. Stand on the windowsill. Hold that in.
Don't be taking them around the other way.
Get through, do you?
Put your bag off.
Don't use it. I can't. Don't get through and don't touch it.
You can step onto the window.
Ow.
You alright? Should have stepped onto the window still, Mum. You got it? Get back in.
Touch the window.
Dad, you're gonna have to
I'm going to touch the window.
step onto it. Step onto it and step out. And push her up. You up? You alright? You alright? You alright?
Yeah.
We both did it. Jump.
I'm going to try and find out where it's going.
There. You can get out through there. Yeah, I know what's there.
Where'd you go? Ending picture.
To be fair, I don't want to get shot. But, should I do the outro?
Yeah, you see it showed on the front.
Guys, that's the
Picture. And you?
Right guys, so I'm just gonna do the outro now. Right guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. And yeah, if you could really do, that would help.
Go on, go for it, it's not waiting. Go on, take your leg out.
Right guys, like saying, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and hit bell notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video. So that's going to be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I didn't do it properly, but today we had Mum, we did Shannon, and we had Dad. So that's it for today's video. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. It could really do help. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's exploring_with_Mike. And my Facebook page. And my Facebook page. No, I'm still recording. And my Facebook page is Urbex Mike. So if you could go like them, do what you need to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.